Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about Elon Musk, Dogecoin wallet. I think we found out where it is, what happened to it, so we're going to be talking about that, and also why I think that Bitcoin is rearing up to create life-changing, generational life-changing wealth, guys. Don't miss it, guys. Do not miss it. Do not miss a beat, guys. Go and watch this video to the end, and don't forget to smash the likes. Show some love out there. And remember, this is not financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody, and blessings to everybody out there in YouTube land, guys. So let's not delay. Let's jump into the content without any further delay. Guys, do go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. I did talk about 3 coins, 1 app. So this is talking about the integration of Dogecoin, integration of 2 other coins. Guys, go and watch that. This is so cool, guys, because if this integration happens to the X platform, we're going to see Dogecoin skyrocket out there, guys. And don't forget, do become a member, guys. And if you're a member, send me a DM out there, guys. And also, too, I want to give a big heartfelt RIP for Paul, who recently passed away out there. So God bless you, Paul, and the family, and rest in peace, brother. I appreciate it. So what's going on in terms of announcement? There's no major announcements happening. As you know, most of the businesses, most of the government is closed right now, and nothing really is going to be happening until Wednesday the 3rd when we get some job openings announcements. So rate hikes, 85%. I think there's going to be a small rate hike in the next session. So the target rate probability is around about January 31st. And that's when the next Fed meeting is in 2024. And remember, that is the time when we should be getting some ETF approval out there. So overall, what's going on with the markets right now? Solana is going up out there, but Bitcoin is still it's down a little bit. We're seeing Ethereum is down, Doge is also down 1%. So we're seeing our average about 1.5% across the board down, but we are seeing some Bitcoins like Atom, Matic, Near Protocol, Solana, BNB, ADA are actually picking up. So I'm hoping by the time the U.S. opens out there, and a Merry freaking Christmas out there, that we'll see a nice reversal coming in. So far, not too bad. Let me give this a mid-year refresh. Don't forget to smash 111. I appreciate out there. We're seeing that, as I said, Bitcoin is down. The total market cap is down about 0.61%. Not too shabby. Around about 1.65. And remember that it's the weekend, so we're seeing the volumes are kind of light out there. So volumes are light. I wouldn't worry about it too much, guys. So overall, we're seeing that Solana is still up 51%. BNB is up on the weekly. This is weekly, right? It's also up right now in the last 24 hours. Cardano is up right now. Avalanche is down, but still up 14%. Doja Warrior is getting slammed. Giddy one, and it's at 0.9224. We're also going to be talking about the Dogecoin technicals at some levels that we need to be freaking watching out there. So bonk to all the Debbie Downers out there. Bonk to all the trolls out there, guys. And it's a great time to be live. In terms of fear and greed, right now, we're seeing that fear and greed right now is at 71. Not too bad. People still greedy. People still lovely, jubbly out there. If we take a look at how much is it going to cost you to send Bitcoin, right now it's going to cost you about $10.75. So the price have come down. Remember, we had like $39 last week when people were going nuts into ordinals out there. Overall, guys, 2024, the year of living Dogefully. So, guys, Dogecoin, smash Dogecoin 111. I appreciate it right now. So let's talk about the technicals. As you can see right now, Dogecoin is seen to be consolidating. Okay, and it's consolidating at a support zone about 0.923. That's where I see some really good support, and we've seen this support 18 days. So, Dogecoin has been kind of like consolidating for about 18 days in this range, and we see a top side of the range about 0.976. So that's acting as resistance right now. Do I see some more consolidation? Yes, I see some more consolidation. I think we're not going to see much happening until probably the 3rd or 4th of January. I think we'll probably just consolidate, stay in this range out there. But Dogecoin must break. I repeat, Dogecoin must break the freaking 0.976 resistance. If Dogecoin can break past this zone, then 11 cents is likely. So, guys, keep an eye on that zone. Once you start to see Dogecoin break past the 0.97, then it is a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. Don't forget to go down there and subscribe. And if you have not smashed the likes, then all I gotta say is bonk on the hand for you guys out there. Smash the likes, guys. Show some love out there. So right now, if we take a look at the Dogecoin chart, we are seeing that, we had this bull flag or descending trend. Depends on what you're talking about. We talked about this area of confluence here. And we've just been kind of ranging here, range bound, like I said, as a support of 0.92 and a resistance of about 0.976. So I think we're probably going to consolidate. I would imagine that we're probably going to do something like this. We're probably going to like consolidate, and the range is going to be a little bit, and I think around about this area we should get a little bit of a pump past this 976 area, and hopefully we can get into this level here. So that's what I'm hoping. So I'm going to kind of put a line here, and that's where I see us going around about there. So let's see if we can get up there. I would appreciate, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes out there. Wow. Do that. Smash the likes. Looks like that. Right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is down about 0.64%, about 30.14. We're in the 10th spot. And we got kicked the curb by Solana and Avalanche. So what can I say? Volume is also down about 4% as well. Right now, so this is article that's coming out, Dogecoin Rich List, Elon Musk holds Doge. So, yeah, we can confirm that Elon Musk does hold Doge. Dogecoin Rich List with Dogecoin holders continue to rise amid crypto market rally. And we're seeing the number of holders holding Doge has been going up. The number of addresses holding Doge-themed meme coins has increased. It's increased massively in December. Doge has rallied. Let me just get rid of this here, right? So we can see that Doge price has rallied almost 25% as traders anticipate ending the year with at least 100% rally. Now remember that Doge is up considerably in the last 30 days. So a lot of people are expecting 100% rally out there. Maybe that could take Doge, up. I think we're going to go up. With the rich list has not changed much, but the top holders hasn't changed. So if you take a look at the top holders, you can see here the top holders really haven't changed. Okay, the amount of holding is pretty much static. This holder here it's an exchange, right? It's about 3,700,465. Remember, the prices are a lot less because the price is depressed as well, right? So we're seeing that the top holders haven't really changed much. But this article goes on to say Robinhood is the largest holder of Doge. So we can see that here. That Robinhood is the largest holder of Doge. Let's take a look. So right now, looks like Robinhood is holding around about $3 million worth of Doge. They're the largest holder, so we can confirm that. And it has about 32 billion Doge, around $3 million. It accounts for 23.15% of the total Doge supply. It is also known to be the cold wallet of Robinhood, and DEGVDV became the biggest and largest holder of Doge in June after billions of Doge were transferred from the DDUXG. Okay, so right now amongst the top 20 Dogecoin rich list is Robinhood, contains a maximum number of Doge supply. Also, the DPDLP is also a Robinhood wallet, and they have right now they are like $88 in there. But there's been a lot of movement, a lot of transfer around, and tagged as Robinhood in Bitfinex charts. It's often linked to Elon Musk. So this DPDLP is what people think is Elon Musk, right? So, and there's been a lot of evidence of Elon Musk with analysts and blockchain, even sharing some evidence of why they think that this is Elon Musk's wallet, right? So Elon Musk linked Robinhood wallets moves over 10 billion Doge. So according to this article, this came out in June 2nd, 2023, Tesla CEO and Elon Musk fan is being accused of insider trading and market manipulation in a class action suit. So once this suit was filed, Elon Musk abruptly moved a ton of his Dogecoin to a Robinhood wallet. So he still owns the Bitcoin, the Dogecoin. Excuse me, on the head. He still owns the Dogecoin, but it has been moved to Robinhood, a set flags exchange. Then it is harder for people to kind of figure out who owns that. So that's what's been going on with that. So top Dogecoin wallets, according to Doge distribution data and Bitfinex charts, only a single wallet contains more than 10 billion Doge. 11 wallets have 1 to 10, and 4,509 wallets hold 1 million to 1 million Doge. So basically, people are saying that this wallet is Elon Musk, and he's moved most of his Doge to Robinhood, and because he kind of wants to hide where his Doge is going, right? So, guys, where do you guys think that Dogecoin is going to go next year? I think if the ETFs come in, we might be able to hit all-time highs, guys. I mean, maybe call me a moon boy, call me a dreamer. Some people don't like me. But, guys, I think that we could see a nice pumpity pump for Dogecoin coming in shortly, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Keep in mind, let's talk about Bitcoin, how Bitcoin can change your life and out there, guys. And if you take a look at the number of people, a number of companies holding Bitcoin right now, the largest holder of Bitcoin is MicroStrategy, Marathon Digital, and look at MicroStrategy. They're holding almost 1% of the total supply. Marathon holds Tesla's holding the number 3 biggest with 10,725 Bitcoin. Hut 8 Corp. And if you take a look at countries, which countries are holding Bitcoin? So USA is holding right now around about almost 1%. China is holding almost 1%. And isn't it funny that, China is like a big Debbie Downer on crypto, but look how much Bitcoin they're holding. They're like second in terms of countries holding Bitcoin. Ukraine government, they hold a lot. They got a lot of donations, right? El Salvador, right, as well. Finland is also holding at Georgia as well. So private companies who own Mt. Gox right now, 200,000 Bitcoin. That's almost 1%. Black One, almost over 0.5%. Tether Holdings, Trezor Founders, and so on and so forth. So, guys, a lot of Bitcoin is being held, and I believe that and Lego understands that Bitcoin is the only way to fight the collapse of fiat. Cash is trash, guys. So, what I believe is the total liquidity of the world is going to go off the charts. What that means is that there is going to be a disgusting amount of money that is going to be printed. And when that happens by central banks to support the economy, what that means is one thing, is that the value of these fiat currencies is going to be worth nothing. As you can see, that since the inception of the US dollar has gone down almost like 97%. So Bitcoin has a perfect scarcity of 21 million Bitcoin. Okay, that's the cap. It's max cap. It's locked in to an algorithm. It cannot be affected. In effect, accumulating in 13 years, Bitcoin halving is upon us in March and April, and this will choke the fresh mine supply. Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock, the world's leading asset manager, will be a catalyst to force the demand of Bitcoin to go up by 200 to 1,000%. This is a recipe for amazing bull market. And I told you, there's going to be a supply shock. There's going to be a demand shock, and the price is going to go to the freaking moon, guys. So that's what's going to happen. That is what is freaking happening, guys. If you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, we can see that every time the Bitcoin dominance starts to hit these levels, we start to see a nice liftoff, guys. So get ready. The Bitcoin dominance is climbing, and when that happens, we can see the price is also going to be going up. So if you take a look at this, take a look at the RSI, 2024, light-changing wealth is coming, guys. Bitcoin, what side of history do you want to be on? Do you want to be on the poor side or the rich side? Not financial advice, but I have been buying, I have been dollar cost averaging and making out like flame, guys. So get ready. It's going to be huge, huge, huge. And, $100,000, easy, even without the spot ETFs. But if we get the spot ETFs, the price of Bitcoin could be going through the freaking roof, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. And remember, 48,000 is our next target for BTC. It is inevitable. If it breaks above that, we could easily reach $60,000. So where we are now, the $60,000, it's not too bad. And we've been sharing this chart. Mustache have been sharing this chart since 2022. It was no different in 2015, no different in 2019, no different in 2022, guys. We are going uppity up to the freaking moon. And take a look at this, guys. Bitcoin has been supported by this touch and bounce pattern, moving average, a 20-day simple move average since September 2023. This indicated that the strong uptrend has been built since that time. This is the only sign of the beginning of a massive bull run. And we have this touch and bounce pattern. It's consistent. It's happening. And every time we touch, we go. And guys, we're going to go higher and higher to the freaking moon, guys. And remember, Altcoin market cap is also raising as well. And whenever we hit these circle lines here, we ought to have a huge liftoff for the altcoin market cap. And that's why we're seeing a lot of altcoins going uppity up. That's why we're seeing a lot of altcoins going to the freaking moon, guys. So that's what's going on right now. And guys, let's take a look at Phantom. Looks like Phantom appears to is forming this huge W pattern right now. And Phantom weekly close around about 57 cents. If we can confirm this breakout, and it's about to happen, we could easily see $1.60 for Phantom coming in. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. I mean, I've been a big fan of Phantom. Phantom, fell down a considerable amount. I mean, I'm underwater with Phantom, but I'm positive that I'm holding. And remember, never sell at a loss. That's why you should never invest more than willing to lose. Never sell a loss. It's, in this case, for Phantom, you're just going to have to wait till after the halving. Right now for the halving, we have around about 113 days left for the halving. So, guys, you just have to be patient. Let's take a quick look at the Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu is also, Shiba Inu, where's my Shiba Inu? Right here. Shiba Inu is just going sideways as well. It's kind of just really range bound. Nothing much has happened. A little bit of consolidation is happening. But it's only been consolidating for about 3 days. That's what's going on. Much love, guys. So, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it, guys. I would absolutely appreciate it. We got 9,611 followers. So, guys, be blessed. Be well. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes, and share. I would appreciate it. Peace out.